Imagine a visitor from another star system, older than our own sun, hurtling through our cosmic backyard. It's not science fiction, it's happening right now. Today, we're talking about Comet 3IAtlas, an interstellar traveler that's rewriting the rulebook on comets and has scientists scrambling to get a closer look before it disappears forever. This extraordinary object has re-emerged from behind the sun, and what we're learning is nothing short of mind-blowing. Its path isn't a gentle loop around our sun like the comets we know. Instead, it's tracing a hyperbolic trajectory, a cosmic one-way ticket that proves it came from the vast expanse between the stars. And that's just the beginning of its mysteries. When it first appeared, it was unexpectedly bright, shining with an intense blue color. That's a huge red flagger. Well, a blue one for astronomers. Usually, active comets are reddish. Its chemical makeup is also unlike anything we've seen from our own Oort cloud, the birthplace of our solar system's comets. These strange features have sparked incredible new ideas about where it came from. NASA has even marked the date on our calendars. December 19th is when it will make its closest pass to Earth, giving us a front-row seat to this cosmic spectacle. But we're not just waiting around for it to get here. A massive, coordinated effort is already underway. Before our telescopes on the ground can even get a clear shot, a fleet of space-based observers is on the case. Think of them as our advanced photographers in space. We're talking about heavy hitters like the Solar Orbiter, SOHO, and the Parker Solar Probe. These incredible machines are positioned near the sun, giving them unique angles to capture images without any interference from Earth's atmosphere. They reusing specialized cameras and detectors to watch how the comet interacts with the sun's radiation, which is key to unlocking its secrets. And get this, the Chinese probe, Tianwen-1, has already successfully snapped some amazing photos of 3IAtlas from about 30 million kilometers away. The images are crystal clear, showing the comet's core, or nucleus, and the glowing cloud of gas and dust around it, called the Comet, which spans thousands of kilometers. Scientists even created a short animation from these images to track its movement. And there's more to come. Between November 2nd and 25th, 2025, the European Space Agency's JUICE mission will also turn its powerful instruments toward this interstellar visitor. Every new image reveals more intricate details of its dust and gas structures, raising even more questions. The main goal is to watch how the comet's coma and tail evolve as it gets closer to the sun and heats up. The way its gases and dust scatter is a direct clue to its chemical composition. For the comets born in our solar system, this process follows a fairly predictable pattern. But 3IAtlas is different. Its early activity suggests it's releasing materials in a way we haven't seen before, hinting that it may have formed in a much colder, more ancient part of the galaxy than we're used to. Soon, the action will shift from space to the ground. As the comet swings into a part of the sky with less solar glare, the world's most powerful telescopes will be ready. Observatories in Chile, Hawaii, the Canary Islands, and Argentina have already cleared their schedules. They'll be using massive mirrors and spectroscopic instruments to get an ultra-precise look at the comet's nucleus and its molecular makeup. One of the most exciting things they'll be looking for is confirmation of that strange blue color. If they can prove it, It would suggest the presence of molecules and compounds that are rare or non-existent in our own comets. This could make 3IAtlas a cornerstone for studying how planetary systems form and evolve in other corners of the Milky Way. Scientists will also be tracking its brightness very closely. This tells them how stable the comet is. Some interstellar visitors we've seen in the past have disintegrated rapidly as they neared the Sun. Others have held together. How 3IAtlas handles the heat will give us clues about the conditions in the distant stellar nursery where it was born. By combining the data from space probes with these ground-based observations, we'll get a rich, multi-layered portrait of this incredible object. This information could fundamentally change our understanding of how icy bodies travel between stars and offer a glimpse into the chemical history of the ancient galaxy. Let's be clear, this visitor is not here to stay. Its interstellar status is confirmed. It came from the deep, dark void of the Milky Way. And after this one pass, it's heading right back out there, never to return. And here's a truly staggering fact. Astronomers estimate it could be over 7 billion years old. Our Sun is only about 4.6 billion years old, meaning this comet might be a relic from a time before our solar system even existed. It's also a giant with a nucleus about 20 kilometers in diameter and a mass of roughly 33 billion tons. It's the largest interstellar object we've ever observed up close. It completely dwarfs the two previous interstellar visitors we've had, Oumuamua and Borisov. During its journey, it made a relatively close flyby of Mars, coming within 28 million kilometers. At the end of December, it will be at its closest to Ustu, 170 million kilometers away, or about 1.8 times the distance from the Earth to the Sun. NASA has confirmed there is absolutely no risk of impact. The focus is purely on its scientific value as a pristine sample from another star system. As one physicist put it, when we detect water on an interstellar comet, we are reading a note sent from another planetary system. Analysis has already revealed that its surface contains water ice that's been preserved for billions of years. This gives us direct information about the chemistry of the primordial disks where planets form around other stars. But let's get back to its most baffling features. The first is its incredible brightness. As it approached the Sun, it got much brighter than any comet from our solar system ever has. Then there's that blue color, as Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb pointed out. Dust around a comet should make it look red. Blue is completely unexpected and defies our standard models. And if that wasn't strange enough, astronomers also spotted an antitail, a trail of gas pointing towards the Sun, instead of away from it. This was recorded by the Nordic Optical Telescope in Spain. Shortly after, a normal tail appeared, pointing away from the Sun. This has led to some pretty wild speculation. Loeb controversially suggested that if the object were an alien spacecraft, the antitail could be evidence of a braking thrust maneuver. Of course, that's a huge leap. Most scientists are quick to point out that the comet's bizarre chemical composition is already a big enough puzzle without bringing alien technology into it. We've detected carbon dioxide, water, and cyanide, but also a nickel alloy with almost no iron, something never seen in a local comet. This points to an origin in an extremely cold environment or a star system with a very different chemical makeup. As Carl Sagan famously said, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. While we can't explain every detail yet, not knowing everything isn't proof of extraterrestrials. So, 3IAtlas poses no threat. What it does pose is a profound question. It holds ice that predates our sun, shines with a color that defies physics, and has a chemical signature from another world. Its journey through our solar system is fleeting, but its scientific legacy will be immense. It offers a unique chance to look back in time to the raw materials that existed before our own planet, our own sun, and everything we know. Before it vanishes back into the endless night, it's giving us a gift, a glimpse into the galaxy's primordial past. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible cosmic journey today. What do you think is the source of the comet's blue color? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love exploring the mysteries of the universe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into space and science. See you next time.